Welcome back to yet another video which will be very helpful for teachers. To begin with, let me invite you to watch, share and subscribe to this channel to get more ideas and become a wow teacher. A series of videos on subject-specific skills are created to support teachers in teaching various subjects, as developing skills in children is of utmost importance. Mathematics is a subject of great significance to all, and in this video, I shall present the skills and sub-skills related to mathematics. We are in the 21st century, and it's important that teachers possess them and develop all these skills in learners. Teaching mathematics includes the following skills: number sense, spatial sense, representation, measurement, estimation, patterns, abstraction, thinking, and problem solving. The sub-skills under each of these skills are listed now. Number sense includes the following sub-skills: number concepts and computation skills, operations of numbers, manipulating numbers, understanding quantity, number systems and their properties. Sub-skills under spatial sense are understanding the shape, size, space, position, orientation, direction, movement and geometry. Spatial skills refer to abilities that involve visualizing and mentally manipulating objects, shapes and locations. It also includes visual discrimination, visual closure, visual form constancy, and visual spatial relationships. Sub-skills under representation are developing ideas using picture, data, symbols, text, graph, numbers, geometry, and programming code. Making mathematical diagrams and graphs, interpreting information from a graph, table or chart, translating a problem into mathematical language, developing a sense of mathematical structure, and developing mathematical models. Sub-skills under data handling are collection of various types of data, organizing data and the different ways of analyzing them, representing and interpreting data, visual representation of data, and data variability and its description. Sub-skills under measurement are measuring distance, weight, volume, angle, time, and currency. The 4 stages of measurement are direct comparison, indirect comparison, measuring with arbitrary or non-standard units, and measuring with standard units. Sub-skills under estimation are approximation of quantities and numerical expressions, including significant digits and rounding. It's a mental process that allows us to predict or create a response when there is no other solution. Sub-skills under patterns are recognizing functional relationships between quantities, recognizing mathematical structures, recognizing connections, making predictions, and geometrical manipulations. Sub-skills under abstraction are constructing relationships between mathematical objects, constructing relationships between concrete objects, making symbolic representations and operations, and identifying constraints and assumptions. Sub-skills under thinking are logical thinking, critical thinking, creative thinking, divergent thinking, convergent thinking, systems thinking, reasoning, looking for a pattern, skill of applying facts, principles and theories, interpreting a mathematical result, making predictions, providing evidence for arguments, appreciating the power of abstraction, seeing mathematical structures, simplifying a problem, and representing a problem in a different way. Sub-skills under problem solving are devising and implementing strategies, formulating situations, using mathematical concepts and procedures, visualizing and drawing pictures for the problem, using logical reasoning, working backward, solving word problems involving integers, fractions, or decimals, using mathematical tools, drawing conclusions, interpreting outcomes, and making generalizations and conjectures. Hope this video helps you to have a proper insight into various skills and sub-skills in mathematics. So get ready to develop these skills in every child in your classroom and make them successful. Wishing success to all the teachers of mathematics. Thank you for watching, and for more ideas, subscribe and follow the subsequent videos.